Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through how to assemble your Moonscape. It's pretty simple. First, we're going to start laying out all of our pieces. And just to walk you through this, I'm going to show you that you have a few long handles and then a short handle. The first long handle is going to go for this alien here, and then either the short handle or the long handle will go with your abducted alien. And then this is the little back piece to hold it on. But so you have some choices. There's no right or wrong way to do it. And then you'll have two middle pieces. They have the slot removed here. And then you'll have this top portion. Now I went ahead and I colored in the background piece, the moon and my aliens and the spaceship. I highly recommend coloring them before it's assembled. I used colored pencils, but you can use paint or markers or whatever you have on hand. So let's get started. First, we're going to take some super glue and put it around the outline of that bottom piece. We're going to put one of the middle pieces on top of that, lined up. Then we're going to put a little more super glue on the edges there, press and hold. Now we're ready to put our top piece on. So again, we're just going to line up our holes, make sure it's situated properly, glue on the sides, press it down, and then you've got your base assembled. Then you can put in the background in your moon piece. You can super glue these in if you want to, but it's okay. They'll stay on their own. Now we're going to get started on our handle for the abducted alien. You just want to put a little bit of stick glue around the edges to increase the surface to contact on the inside of that circle, and a little bit of super glue just down on top. It'll seep in. Just again, make sure you've got good contact. It takes a long time to dry, so you're just going to let him sit. While he's drying, we can go ahead and we can assemble the handle for our other alien. This needs to be assembled directly into the base. So you're going to slot him in, grab a long handle, super glue the sides of it, but not the end, just a little bit. And then you're going to slot it right through the base and into the hole on that alien. You want to have good firm contact on the bottom of the alien with the handle so that it stays in. My piece for the abducted alien still wasn't dry, so I took a little bit of the wax paper that I was working on, cut it into a circle with a little hole in the middle, and just slid that right down on top so I could keep working without the glue sticking to the alien. Just slide that down. And then you want to put your spaceship right on top. I cut another piece so that the alien would be protected from the spaceship part. We wouldn't get any glue between those. I cut the hole a little too big, so I did this wonky little fold just to protect those edges. And then we super glue right on in there. It'll fall through. You want to keep it moving just a little bit, so if you do have super glue get through, it doesn't stick to the edges. I did, and it started to snag a little bit. But as long as you kept it moving, it was okay. I had an X-Acto knife on hand, so I went ahead and I just cut off that paper, but scissors will work. And then I scraped off some of the super glue that got stuck on the inside. And there you can see that it's moving freely. And then he's a little stuck, but you just jostle him loose and he's good to go. The spaceship needs to be glued into that slot so that you can move the alien up and down. Press and hold. And I'm just playing here. It was fun. And then he's ready to go. And now you guys can play. Have fun.